Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a professional educational video. For that you need two apps. One is ChatGTP and another app we need is this one, that is Benaim, Benime, right? From ChatGTP we take the questions and put it on this app. Let us find. First I am going to tap on ChatGTP and you see here these are the questions we have made it, and you can see these are the various questions we have made it, that computer GK quiz. Now you see here how we are taking these questions. These are the GK quiz. You can see here 5 we are taking from question number 6. You see this one, you tap on it and you see this is go to select text and you have to select this question. I am taking this question number 6. Which of this is not an input device? Tap on it and select this question, that which one of these is not an input device. Copy this one and again go to this app, that is Benaim. Here you can see this, that you can take a projection movies. We are taking, go to plus sign, right? Go to plus sign and you can see here that you can make a movie here and give a name here, that is we are giving this name as GK3 and this is GK3 GK. We are giving the name GK and number is 3 and we are rating here as tap on it, that is create movie, right? After creating movie, see this first slide we got it here, and for that we go to first I am changing the background. In background select color, and in background we are taking this as custom background and this is black in color, and we are selecting the black background. After the go to text and you put it here and paste the questions you have got it there and put it on insert, and you see this question is in black, so I am changing the font color and I am changing it into yellow, and this is selected, and this is which one of these is not an input device, right? Now tick on this tick one, tick, and again I take the question answers, the options. This is ChatGPT. This is question number 6. The option A is keyboard, and tap on it and copy this one. Tap on this one and copy this keyboard, copy, and you can paste here on this app, that is go to text, paste it here, paste it and insert, and see you have to fix this keyboard here, right? After that tap on the tick mark and again go to ChatGTP and question number 6b. Here this is question number 6b. Go to mouse, copy this one and again go to this app Benaim and go to text, and here tap on it, paste and insert, and the option B is mouse. Now go to next, tick on it and go there again on ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and option C is monitor. Go to monitor, copy it here, copy, and again go to here and go to text and paste this option C here also and insert, and you can see this is monitor, right, and tick on it, right? After that go to depart. For depart you have to again go to this one, that is ChatGPT, and this D is the scanner. You copy it here, copy this scanner and copy this one. After copying it, go to this app and go to text and insert this one, insert, paste and insert. This is a scanner. After that I have to write the answer, tick on it, again go to this ChatGPT. The answer you can see is the monitor. Go to monitor, right, and copy this monitor and again go to this app, right, go to this app go to text and put it here, and again paste this answer, and the answer says monitor. Therefore we will insert this monitor here, and you can see this is the answer is monitor. In this way, go to tick. After that you have to give the voice here, right? For voice recording, you go to music, right? And here you can see this is voiceover, right? And you can give the voice here, right? Let us do it. Go to music. Now question number 2 is which language is used, right? Go to this music, and this is our voiceover, and let us take this voice. Tap this one. Which one of these is not an input device? A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Monitor, and D. Scanner. The correct answer is option C. Monitor. Which language is used for creating web pages? Option A. HTML, option B. C++, option C. Java, option D. Python. The correct option is option A. HTML, right? And you tick this one because you have correct. Tick this one, right? And we got two slides, 1 and 2, and we give the sound also. Now you can check it whether that go here. You can see which one of these is not an input device. Option A, keyboard, option B, mouse, option C, monitor, option D, scanner. The answer is monitor. And tick on it, right? This first slide is okay. Now I'm going to second slide. Take new slide here. For that you have to put a touch on plus sign, and you see this is second slide, right? In the same way, you go there, go to ChatGTP, right? And we're taking up question number 7. Which language is used for? In this way, you can make a professional educational video. Now go to this video sign. Go to video sign, and here you see name of the movie. Here I am getting gaming as a GK3, right? And here tick on it and make movie, right? And here you see it will take some time to make this movie to 0, right? Let us see, and it will make this. Now it is rendering the movie, and it will take at least 1 minute 20 seconds. And you can see that after rendering it will encode the video, and you can upload this video on your YouTube channel. In this way you make a professional educational video with ChatGPT and Vinay app, right? You can download both of these, ChatGPT app and Vinay app, from Google Store, and this is free of cost, right? Now dear friends, in this way we can make a very proper educational video with the help of mobile and these apps. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. After you see, this is encoding video, this is in process, this is encoding video, and after encoding we will mixing audio, please saving video, and you see this is okay, and we can switch off the address, and you see this is ready to play and share the movie. You can share the movie and upload it on your YouTube channel in this way, right? And you see that we are uploading this one. Go to next, and here you see we are uploading this one, upload, and now see, you can see that it is uploading, right? In this way you can make a professional educational video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.